Hey guys, Handbag Haul here. Really quick video. I have to show you this cute rolling tote bag that my sister got here. It wasn't a Christmas gift, but it was just something that a coworker had gifted her. And this is really cute. As soon as I figure out what this is called, I'll let you guys know. But I believe this is vegan leather. And this is the inside. I'm sorry, I'm doing this with my one hand here. This is the inside. Look at that. It's got a little zipper pocket here on this side. And keeper right there. It's pretty a decent size. It's pretty soft, this inside it is. And it has, of course, the extended handle. This is the bottom. This is really cute, you guys. I'm trying to find it. Matter of fact, I'll put the name of it in the description. So you have your handles here. So cute. Travel in style for the 2023. Check it out. Check it out.